Are you using any network or Cricket network? Is your phone locked? This video shows how to unlock it. For any network or Cricket network, follow this video, step by step. Before unlocking your Cricket phone, make sure your device is eligible. Your phone should not be reported lost or stolen, and it should meet Cricket's unlocking requirements. To find your IMEI number, open the dialer and type *#066#. Your phone's IMEI number will appear on the screen. If you have a Cricket account, open the myCricket app and log in with your account details. Go to the device unlock option. Follow the instructions. Tap unlock. Wait for the confirmation message.
Or open browser, go to mobile unlock, putting your personal details. First, select country. Second, select Cricket USA network. Number 3, putting IMEI number. Tap on unlock device.